Hello, it's Paul Bart's Garage. We're going to try to do another pull and get out here, get it set up. We're going to try to do another 8-mile pull. So right here's this here. Traction control off. It's in sport mode.
Roasted dead.
Do too good.
You spun a lot though.
I don't know what that says. What does that say?
878.
878.
You spun like fucking 4 feet.
We got the well, I done a stupid thing. I didn't let the air out of the tire like I was going to previous, and I put some armor all on the tires like a dummy. So kind of spun a little bit, so we're going to turn around and go back and try to get another one. There's out here in Mexico, there's a lot of farmers out here, and these big tractors out here running on the side of the road, and I'm just trying to get where there's nobody out here doing anything. So we're going to yeah, that's going to stay on like that. That's just letting me know it's on and it's recording. Tap the screen to see what it's doing. Okay. So let's go back down this road. Maybe this big truck could get going. So we have an 878 at 83 miles an hour and a 0.09 reaction time. Same reaction time I had last night. And reset it. Past all these vehicles. Now I do know some people that this guy's going pretty slow. Go down the road, turn around. Maybe get one more in. As y'all can see, I got the tree set up again. Probably gonna boil the tires off this time, but I'm gonna see if I can't get it to stall up a little bit, and probably gonna spin, but I'm gonna let the car shift itself.
Hold the brake pedal down real stiff and try it.
Stop. Okay.
Yeah, that was pretty good. That was a little bit better.
Yeah, we spun a pretty good bit there.
It's some fucking tires.
Yeah, I've got, like I said, guys, I've got them 295 45 20s on here, and they have like, I'm thinking there's like 40 to 42 pounds of air pressure on those tires. I need to let them out, and probably need to let them down to probably about 25 pounds of pressure, and that'll help me. That'll help the sidewall anyway. But I think I can't see what. Can you see what that time is? Let's pull in here so we can see. Let them see what time it is. And I'll have to take the camera from you and hold it up to it. Yeah, I can see what the time is here. I should be able to see what it is there. Anyway, we got the camera, and that's a 868.
That looks like that's an 868 spinning at 82 miles an hour.
Well, my 60-foot time was better. It's my reaction time was a 0.10. 60 foot was a 1.58. a 5.59 330 foot at 63 miles an hour, and then the 8th I ran it in an 8.68 at 82 miles an hour. So my mile an hour is down, but my 60 foot's up though. So
let's drop some pressure on the tires.
Anyway, there's just really too many people out here in Mexico right now to be trying to do this, and they have to come back when it's
stop right here. I'll drop
it's
some
not
pressure.
so late. It's 8:09.